Hi guys, so today I thought I'd do a little something different for you because I've just uploaded a whole load of recipes to fill a thali. So here's my top tips on an Indian thali, assembling one. There are celebratory thalis and everyday ones. This one is definitely a celebratory one. Rice to me forms absolutely the center point of the thali, as does a little sweet. Now, the contents of a thali change from state to state, family to family. I'm from Bengal in Calcutta, and we love a little mishti or sweet on our plates. Vegetables also feature a plenty. So a thali is what is known as plant forward. This is all very trendy in the West, but in India and South Asia more broadly, we often lead with vegetables on our plate, and they are often seasonal and produce that you would find quite readily available when you're cooking. There's usually a sort of dry fry, which is what this cabbage dish is that I've shared for you guys in one of my recipes. And alongside this, there will be a yogurt digestive, something that just helps the meal go down nicely and smoothly. So this is the mixed vegetable raita here. A lot of different raitas feature. Again, you can have them with cucumber. I've done one with beetroot coming up for you. This is just a really, really simple mixed vegetable raita that is also a recipe that I have posted. Then there is a chutney or a pickle. Now, I particularly like this bit because it provides more opportunities to do interesting and fun things with a seasonal veg. I've used aubergine here. It was the kind of last days of seasonal aubergine here in the UK. And I thought that chutneyfying them would give them a little bit more of a lease of life. So that's why aubergine and ginger chutney went on. And of course, dal. Now, dal is, again, like the palau or rice, an absolute center point of a thali. The chana masala dal I've used in this thali is a little bit more luscious and celebratory, if you like. Now, meat and fish are entirely optional for a thali. You can have purely veg ones. You can have predominantly veg ones. I've added some chicken curry here because everyone loves chicken curry. But also, non-veg thalis are so popular in restaurants. So I thought it might be worth popping a chicken on this one. And then we have our veggie centerpiece. So this is something a little bit more special, a bit more kind of, impressive. Still easy to cook, but that's why I made this cauliflower do piazza or double onion. This cauliflower recipe actually uses the entire cauli, including the leaves and the stalk. So it's a bit of a zero waste touch as well, which is culturally quite the norm in South Asia. So that felt good to do. And then this thali is finally finished off with two essential items. Roti. I've shared my suggestions on quick fix rotis, which are ready-made, and then crispy papad. And that, my friends, is the wholesome, balanced, plant-forward meal that we enjoy on celebrations known as a thali. I hope you've enjoyed following along with this latest crop of recipes, and there's many, many more where that came from. So bear with me, and I am cooking them as I speak and edit, and they'll be up soon.